Hi, today's life is challenging. External circumstances of our lives affects our emotions and our feelings, our internal state, how we think, how we respond to life, how we perform is all dependent on our inner state. I'm no different. I can also find myself at times when combinations of circumstances come together and I have felt crushed. I have felt low. I've felt in the energy of I can't do it. I'm afraid. How can I go on? And sitting, doing nothing in my comfort zone. This week, it happened again. This week, I decided to take myself in hand. I sat down with myself. I did some energy tapping, some very simple EFT on these energy points, and I changed my state. I acknowledged my feelings. We always need to do that. After releasing my stress emotions and stuck emotions, I found my successes coming into my mind. I carried on tapping. Very interesting to tap on our successes and achievements. What then came to mind was the realization of what does that mean about who I am, that I have achieved all of these things. So within 30 to 40 minutes, I'd gone from on the floor, in tears, can't face my life, to I am absolutely amazing. I am the champion. And to command that state and embody that state, to become that, and now access all the resourcefulness that goes with that state. I feel so good. I've achieved so much since I changed my state that I'm putting a workshop on for you and anybody else who needs a little bit of a hand to get themselves up that energy ladder to become the best that you can be. So click the link below and check out 3 steps to access your own inner champion. Join me. I'm only going to do it once, this workshop. I will record it. 90 minutes, really accessible. You see, even if you can't afford it, you'll see how you can enter the workshop. And let's together raise our energy. Let's together find the inner champion, because boy, do we need it in this life. Our family needs us to be the champion. Our business needs us to be the champion. Today's life needs us to be the champion. You need it for you. Join me on the workshop, and don't worry if you can't make the time. It will be recorded and the process will work when you watch the replay. So no excuse to miss it. Tap below for the details and join me this week. I'll see you there.